I now request the Honorable Mayor of Edison, Sam Joshi, to also offer his comments.
Thank you. I'm truly humbled and honored to be here today before everyone and Her Holiness as well. I have a proclamation from, as some of you may know, Edison Township truly has become the heartbeat of the Indian community, especially throughout the entire United States of America. And that's something that we should be really proud of, in a sense that we have a home in Edison. I often speak to a lot of different communities, whether it be predominantly Jewish, Orthodox, or Black, and there's a lot of different cities around the country where they can identify where there's pockets of individuals who live in certain communities. But there's a special place for Indian Americans in Edison, and I think that goes without saying. So I'm humbled and honored to be here, but I want to present a proclamation from my office to Pujya Guruma in recognition of your outstanding contribution in spreading the Sushumna Kriya Yoga Meditation technique for a holistic health, peace, love, and harmony across the world. Thank you.
Request you all to kindly rise to give a standing ovation to our Pujya Guruma, Her Holiness Shri Aathmanandamayi.